Question 11. In which country do you think this story is based? Give a reason to back up your answer. So that means give a reason for your answer. And this question actually is a really good reminder so you don't forget to use all of the information on the page, because the best clue for this is actually to be found at the bottom when it tells us the title of the work and the author. And it says that this passage is from Scotland's Story by H.E. Marshall. So the country is Scotland. You might be tempted to write England, but it's the English that actually have taken the castle, and it's the Scots and Binning who win it back. So it's actually set in Scotland. And if you think about it, Linlithgow is a name that actually sounds a little bit Scottish, but of course you may not know that. But if you are familiar with that type of word, you might recognise it as being a Scottish word. But the fact that it's Scotland's Story and that we know this, that's our really good piece of evidence in order for us to answer this question. So the answer is, I think this story is based in Scotland because it is from a book called Scotland's Story. And as I am denoting the title of the book, I've put it into quotation marks. Okay, because I'm showing that that's the title of the book.